Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing today Bugforge daily challenge Sokudo. I'm happy today I got first blood. The hint is the token I found broken authentication. As always, you start your lab. And then we can just register here. For example, is the username. Local.com full name, password, do any password, confirm, and you log in. Of course, when I did this, one thing and you notice is that before I check the registration. Before I registered, um, let me log out what I did first. When I logged in there and I put my password, the first thing I noticed, the response. I saw this is very strange. I said like that, what the token? And I saw 2026 and I said something is not, doesn't make too much sense, because when you take this token here and you can see, for example, very strange, the number 2605, the date, so today is the 1st May, then the time, I think it's the system time. So you assume the year, you see the month, you see the date, so it's a hour, what's this then? A minute and then seconds. And then you can see the entry point is there. So now what I can do with it? So I go back to my networks and then I start, for example, practicing. I remember this one, you do that, but interesting when you go to the start values, where is the start? The leaderboard function, this leaderboard there, and there's still part of it. It tells you a username, for example, admin, speedy pipe learner, and something, and you can see here last login, and you can see the number 070912, and that's the other token 070912. So if I do the same logic and take the admin one and I just take its time and I follow the logic we have here. So you assume the first one is the year, you found the day, and then of course we remove this. We remove that and only the minute, and then we don't need that one. So this would be the token for the admin. And then of course you just go to storage, you look at storage, you remove your token, you put your admin token, and of course we just refresh, and hopefully we get the admin token, and you get today a flag. Yeah, that's it was interesting. So the idea when you start, always check your application what is doing. So when I saw this, I knew it is something. I saw 2026, today is the 1st May, so automatically you get the idea. So that's exactly this of today. That's interesting. Thank you everybody and have a good day.